As the owner of Black Honey Desserts, Coffee, and Catering, Lisa has become a leader in the culinary world and her community. Lisa's love of food and serving her community came naturally, as her father ran a camp where she gained experience in cooking delicious food that brought people together. Despite her early exposure to cooking, Lisa's first passion wasn't culinary arts. In fact, Lisa graduated with a degree in Art History and Archaeology. However, while working in a cafe, she realized her passion. She fell in love with baking, and following graduation, Lisa pursued her education at Algonquin College and the Cordon Bleu Culinary Arts Institute. Lisa, her husband Mark, and 3 children moved to Peterborough in 2004, and Lisa quickly realized the city needed a place for coffee, desserts, and baked goods. Within a year, Lisa launched the cafe, and 4 years later, she expanded and started the catering business. Today, Black Honey has become known for its coffee, desserts, soups, and wedding cakes. The company continues to grow and employs more than 30 people in the coffee house and the catering and bakery operation. In addition to running a successful business, Lisa is a professor at Fleming College, where she trains the next generation of culinary professionals. Lisa feels a strong responsibility to giving back and is always looking for ways to do more. She's also an advocate for food literacy. In addition, she hosts local blood drives. Lisa continues to create a culinary experience in Peterborough, and in 2020, Black Honey will celebrate its 15th anniversary.